Steven. Close up. You want to go get dressed? Devin, look how big you are. Show your boots. Woo! So he's the cowboy. Are you the cowboy?
No.
What's tonight? Halloween?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you going to do? Are you going to trick or treat?
Yeah, this.
What is it? Candy. Mmm. How pretty good candy. Look at your gun. Where's your gun at?
I don't have a gun. It's got
Your holster.
a shovel.
Oh, a shovel. Because he's not a violent person, right?
No, we're not having more candy.
Look, Matthew. Show me your outfit. You're a Power Ranger. Scoot back to the refrigerator. I can't see you. You're a Power Ranger. Look at that. 2 of them. Hold your sword up. Matthew, hold your sword up. Look at it. Makes the light. Ooh, there's Steven.
Yeah.
Say right. Is that new shoes? Matthew, you got new shoes on?
Why? It's not my kid.
Yeah. You gonna put the rabbit ears on? There you go. Look, Steven. Look, Steven. Are you gonna be a rabbit? You gonna paint your nose red? Look, Matthew. What does your mask look like? Put it down. Let me see what your mask looks like. It's a Power Ranger. Yep. Can you see out of that? Yep. Yeah, it's shiny looking. Look, Steven. Steven. What you doing, huh?
Matthew, don't eat the candy.
Steven, come here. I'm taking your picture. Come here. He's off running. Come here, Steven. There's Devin. Steven, come here. Steven, go over there. See how big he is? He's a big kid now. You putting the hat on? Come here, Steven. Let me see your hat. Is that Devin's hat? You want to catch the ball? Steven. Here, Devin, throw it to Grandma. You want to throw it to Grandma? Whoa, we missed it. There it is.
Pull me.
It bounces, huh?
Pull me.
Can you keep your hat on? Whoops, it's sideways.
It's me.
I'm gonna get down to y'all's level here, huh? Look, Steven. Look. Go get it. Can you get the ball? Uh-oh. What you had? Who's that? She wants you to get some chicken. You need some chicken? Go get some chicken. You gonna go eat? Go eat. Go eat. Steven. Steven, come here. So you still watching TV, aren't you?
Yeah, watch this.
Aren't you, Matthew? Matthew. Matthew. I got your eye.
Rangers, stop walking.
There's a Power Ranger.
Hold still.
He's a cowboy. He likes being a cowboy. Time to tie up the costumes and go trick-or-treating.
Okay.
Matthew, here's your hat. Put on your hat.
You going bye-bye? Yeah.
Put your hat on.
Stephen, here's your hat. Here's your rabbit.
See? He's got a tail and everything.
Jackie is orange and black tonight.
Alright, here we go.
He's gonna be the first one to get the candy. Y'all better hurry up.
Have fun.
So you gotta go.
Does he have a bag or
Let's go,
something?
Are y'all gonna lock the doors? There's Devin.
Put it on your head.
Come on.
This is your costume.
Trick or treat.
It's not that cold out.
Okay, Daniel, this is his bag. This is his bag.
Trick or treat, Matthew. Look, Devin. What did you get? A sucker? Look, show it. Show me your sucker. Yay. A whole box full. Look, Stephen, what did you get?
A lot of food.
Did you get a sucker?
Yeah.
Stick it out. Can you stick your sucker out? Stephen, look. Yay, you got one too. Bunch of candy.
The little candies so he doesn't get it, and then the bigger candies he can have.
Yeah, so you won't get choked.
Yeah. These he might get choked.
So you got candy? Yeah. Trick or treat's over with.